Okay, so for lab 1 for our chemistry 102, we were to show a physical change and a chemical change. So for my physical change today, I have just a regular glass of water. I'm going to take this sugar packet or flavor packet. It's a pink lemonade sugar packet or flavor packet for water. And what you do is, hold on, gotta get it open. We just pour it in. And actually, because basically this is just like sugar, when you mix sugar and water, you'll just pour it in and you'll stir it around until it's mixed thoroughly. And what is happening is that it's a physical change because normally if you're doing a chemical change, you would come up with a new substance or a new gas or a new chemical. Well, this doesn't come up with a new substance. It's still the same substances. They're still separated, but when you mix them together, the pink lemonade flavor mix is soluble in the water, so it becomes pink. So the physical change isn't necessarily, or the physical color of it isn't necessarily a indicator that is a chemical change. It's just the color of the sugar flavored packet. Okay, and so for my chemical change, I'm going to do vinegar. This is just a little bit of vinegar, and I have an iron nail. And what you do is you just drop this in here, and it didn't do anything. But it was supposed to, maybe this is a copper nail. Okay, well, either way, when you take the iron nail and you put it into the vinegar, it is supposed to make, it's supposed to dissolve the calcium on the nail, and then, it's supposed to create hydrogen bubbles. That's my bad. It's supposed to create hydrogen bubbles when you put the iron nail in there, but apparently the only nail that I have in the house didn't completely work. So maybe something else we could try. I'm trying to think. I may have to make another video with the chemical change because this does not do what I thought it was going to do. But either way, when you put an iron nail into vinegar, okay, it's kind of bubbling, but you can't really see it. You can't really see it visually, but it's got bubbles on the side of the nail. And so it's kind of doing it, but I don't know. I think I might need more vinegar, but I ran out, so. Unfortunately, that didn't work how I wanted it to. But either way, this is a physical change and this is a chemical change. It's the chemical change. It could work the same way if you had baking soda, which I didn't have, and pouring it into vinegar, which makes the CO2 as well. So anyway, that's it for my lab.